What's up, guys? It's your boy Darell here. And today, since my brother Tyson is taking a nap right now, I am gonna prank him by blasting this air horn in his ear and waking him up with it. Ha 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 ha. Now, let's go and do this shit.
Alright, now that I'm in Tyson's room, it's time to do this shit. This will be so hilarious.
Ha 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 ha. Oh my god. That was absolutely hilarious. Get wrecked, Tyson. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god. That was incredibly scary as hell. Mom and dad, 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 mom and dad. Please get over here right now.
Oh no. We're coming, Tyson. What's wrong?
Well, mom and dad, while I was taking a nap, Darell came into my room, blasted an air horn in my ear. That air horn was absolutely loud. It scared me so much.
Are you f***ing me, Darell? Did you seriously blast an air horn in your brother's ear while he was taking a nap?
You better tell us the truth right this instant, or else we will confiscate your laptop for the rest of the month.
Okay, fine. Yes, I did. I blasted an air horn in Tyson's ear while he was taking a nap. But it was just a small prank. Please don't ground me for this. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god. Darell. We cannot believe you blasted an air horn in Tyson's ear while he was taking a nap. You should know that your brother is afraid of loud sounds.
For this, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Now give us that air horn, and go to your room right now.
It's okay, Tyson. Stop crying. Your stupid brother is in his room now. He can't hurt you anymore. Me and your mother are here for you.
Yeah, Tyson. Please stop crying. Everything is gonna be okay. Me and your father are always here for you.
Thank you, mom and dad, for comforting me. I feel a bit better now. I love you two so much.
You're very welcome. And we're glad you're starting to feel better.